Like if I were at the water park, hello, I would rock that. Who is that cute looking blonde guy over there with a nice body? Oh my, natural markings characteristic of full grain leathers made in New York City, USA, motherfucker. I don't care how much that bitch is. I am paying what you asking for. Hey ho bags, it's Miss Philly. We are going to do a haul today of the bags that I thrifted in the last video. And I guess maybe a few videos back. I can't remember if we showed it or not, but pardon the background noise because it's so freaking hot here. It's like 33 degrees. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but at Celsius, and it's, yeah, I love it. I love the hot weather. It's being 100 pounds less, more than 100 pounds less than I was last year. I'm actually starting to enjoy the weather now. Okay, we'll get started on this purse haul. I thrifted this 3 weeks ago. I've never shown it in a video, I believe. This is the Cole Haan. Oh, before we get into this, if anybody wants to purchase any bags from me, my email is in the description, missphilly@hotmail.com. Offer me a price. I'm telling you the prices of the bags that I paid for them, so please be reasonable with your prices or your offers. And also keep in mind that the shipping is $20 flat rate for everybody, Canada and the US, and everything is in US funds. Okay, so let's get into that. This is a Cole Haan bag. It's super huge. It's patent leather. It's beautiful. It says like Cole Haan right here. It's kind of like a Alma shaped. It has like really nice hardware, and it opens up, and this is what the interior looks like. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. But it's kind of like there, you can kind of see that. So there's one zip pocket here, and then two more zip pockets on the same side, like slit pockets, not zip ones. And there's this little thing that kind of snaps closed for one of the pockets, maybe if you want to hold a cell phone or something. And the other side does not have a zip pocket. And I thrifted this separately, which was very convenient, but it's the a dust bag, a Cole Haan dust bag, which is so like cool. So I paid, how much did I pay? The dust bag I paid $2 for, and then the bag itself, which is in really good condition. Like there's a little bit of scuffing on the corner, but nothing substantial. It's a really nice color for fall too, I think. But it's patent leather. It's a really nice bag, like really it is. And the bag I paid, I believe, $30 plus tax. So I think I paid like about $35 for everything, for the dust bag and the bag. There's no cracking on the glazing of the handles or any separating from like the thing, so that's really nice. Yeah, that's like the Cole Haan bag. It's nice and big too. I think it is perfect for fall, which will be coming up soon, guys. It is, even though summer has just begun. Next is this Danier leather bag. I paid $1 for the dust bag, and then I paid about $12 for this bag. It's very like Rebecca Minkoff morning after bag. It's very nice soft leather. This isn't functional, it's just decoration, but it has like a clip there. Zip back pocket. Adjustable handle, so this can be a crossbody or you can like double the chain up and it can be a smaller shoulder bag. And that's what the inside looks like. Very nice and clean. And it's like a really cute crossbody bag for like the summer, you know. Red is fabulous, like hello. But it's very, very cute. Yeah, what else can I say about this bag? It's nice. It's very like Rebecca Minkoff without the Rebecca Minkoff price. But yeah, I paid about $14, $15 for both of these, the dust bag and the bag itself. And I do like Danier leather bags. They're very good quality. I mean, some other bags aren't, but most for the most part, they're really good quality. So Danier leather. So after that, we have this Kipling bag, which is super cuteness galore. Like, look at that. It is missing the monkey, but it's fine. You got monkey girl right here. Like a really nice bag. And this probably retailed for like $120 at the Bay. Like, I kid you not. It's crossbody, it's top handle, such excellent condition. Velcro buttons, or Velcro closure, which is really easy and convenient. So you have your front Velcro pocket, you have your side zip pockets, you have your back Velcro pocket, and then you have your interior compartment. What I love about this is it's all like water resistant material, and it's just so, this would make such a great like park bag, and Kipling is such a good brand. I mean, it sells well for a lot of people. Not really so much here in where I live, but I mean, who knows, maybe it will. I haven't posted it yet. But it's a really cute bag. It's just, it can fit all of your essentials. And you know, if you're at the water park or the carnival and it gets splashed by water, if it rains, it's not going to get ruined because it's like water resistant material. Very like Lug-ish, but a kind of like a higher end brand compared to Lug. Anyway, I paid, I think, $18 for this after discount and taxes. I like it. It's cute. Like if I were at the water park, hello, I would rock that. Who is that cute looking blonde guy over there with a nice body? Oh my God. Sorry. Hello, mister. What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man. Sorry. Distracted. Okay, this bag, I can't remember if I showed, but I wanted to show it in conjunction with my other bag that we're going to show last. But I thrifted this a while ago, and I've decided to keep it for now unless I get a good price for it. Because, you know, I love money more than I love bags, kind of. Maybe. Depends. But, okay, so the dust bag I paid like $2 for. Didn't come with a dust bag. But this bag is so amazing. I love this bag. It was a little bit pricey. It's all 100% leather. And it was a little bit pricey at $60, but I got 30% off plus tax. So I think I paid like, maybe like 54, 55 maybe after taxes. But it's 100% leather. It's like their old school legacy bucket bag, but this is vintage. And you know why I know it's vintage? Why? I'll tell you why. Because of this. Oh, bags. Because of that. I don't know if you can see that. But it says, this is a Coach bag. It is made out of completely natural glove-tanned cowhide. The scars, scratches, veins, and wrinkles are natural markings characteristic of full-grain leathers. Made in New York City, USA, motherfucker! And it says Coach bag registration number. So this is totally vintage, made in New York City, in the US of A, not some China shit. And it is just so good quality. When I saw this bag, I was like, I don't care how much that bitch is. I am paying what you asking for. But it is, oh, this bag is hella fine. And it looks so cute on me. I love this style of bag. Like, it's not even funny. Like, and it's like such amazing conditioning. Like, really. And it's huge. Look. So yeah, I want to keep this for myself. But if I got a good price for it, then I would sell it. But right now it's going to remain in Miss Philly's collection. I mean, how often do you come across a really nice leather bag, vintage, Coach, made in New York City, USA? So because we busted out that bag, this is the bag I got yesterday too from Value Village. It's very similar in style, a little, not really vintage, but similar in style. Except this one is canvas with leather detail. So it's really cute. This one was $49.99 minus 30% plus tax, 13%. What I love about this bag, like look at that nice detail of this Coach luggage tag. Like look at that. Like hello. Is the freaking hardware. It is like so like Tom Ford, Gucci, Versace circa 90s. So hella cute. Like when you're sporting the bag like this and this shows, that's like so freaking hot as fuck. So look at that like detail on that handle. Look at the braiding detail, the arrow stitch braiding. It is so, and look at the chunkiness of this freaking hardware. Like this is brass. This isn't your freaking gold tone hardware. It can knock a bitch out with this brass shit, okay? And not factory outlet. It is made in, where is this bitch made? This is a Coach bag. Oh, it's made in China. But that's okay. That's fine. It's still a nice bag. This probably retailed for like at least $400 when it first came out. I think it's part of their legacy line. I think it is. I think. But that is hella cuteness, right? Hella cuteness. And I kind of want to keep it for myself too in conjunction with the other bag. But I'll let this one go. Yeah, it's cute though. This is a kind of Coach, I think, is what I think of when I think of Coach. Because when I first heard of Coach bags, it was a while ago. It was like 2004. Like before I thought Coach was kind of like, I never heard of it. But back then, Coach was expensive. Coach, I can't remember if they had factory outlet Coaches back then, but I know their bags were so expensive. They were like $700, $800. And they were just expensive back then. Now, you know, they've just saturated the market with their factory outlet bags, their cheaper made bags, and it just kind of cheapened the brand. But bags like this and the bags like the other leather one that we saw, or like their boutique bags, their swagger bags, their legacy line, their A lot of like other newer stuff is really hella nice quality, and that's what I think that they should just keep it at. They, you know, I don't know. I think that they should have like a like Coach, I don't know, like a subsidiary brand that's Coach something, or I don't know. Just because I think that Coach is like very underrated. Like I like them more than I do Michael Kors, and I like them more than I do Kate Spade or Tory Burch or Rebecca Minkoff. You know, I do like Coach a lot. They're probably one of, I think it's the first designer handbag brand that I bought back in 2008 when I went to Minneapolis at the factory outlet. So it'll always have, you know, a special place in my heart. But yeah, me like you, the Coach. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today. That is the haul for the bags that I have thrifted. It's a little all over the place, but I just wanted to include some that I've thrifted past couple days and also yesterday or whatever. We're at Value Village right now. That's going to be in the next vlog of thrifting vlog for you guys. We'll go to Value Village, Salvation Army, and another Value Village, and we'll see if we find anything. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. All my social media links, which I am not a part of right now, but when I do get back on social media, it'll be on the link on the down bar. Email is there too, address, Patreon. If you are a Patreon, I will get on top of the videos that I have to upload for you guys. Yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, day, weekend, whenever you're watching this, evening. And yeah, enjoy the beautiful weather. The weather is beautiful. The weather is beautiful, and life is beautiful, and you are beautiful. So remember that. I'll see you guys when I see you. Love you. Bye.